Hey everyone! Is your skin feeling dry and dull? Today, I'm thrilled to share a quick and easy DIY hydrating face mist that will refresh and rejuvenate your skin in no time. Keeping your skin hydrated is essential, especially in dry environments or harsh weather. A good face mist can be your secret weapon for boosting hydration throughout the day. Plus it's a simple way to achieve that fresh, glowing look we all love. 1. No need for fancy products. You probably have everything you need at home: water, aloe vera, and maybe a few drops of essential oil for an extra boost. 2. This DIY face mist takes just a few minutes to whip up. You can make it in the morning or keep it in your bag for a refreshing spritz whenever you need it. 3. Make it your own. If you love the scent of rose, add some rose water. Want something energizing? Incorporate citrus essential oils. The possibilities are endless. 4. This mist is perfect for travel or the office. A few sprays can help set your makeup or give your skin a quick hydration boost during a long day. 5. Why spend a fortune on commercial products when you can create your own hydrating mist for a fraction of the cost? It's budget-friendly and just as effective. Now, let's dive into how to make your own hydrating face mist today. 1. Grab a small spray bottle. Glass or plastic works. 2. Fill it with 1 cup of distilled water. 3. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. 4. If you like, mix in a few drops of your favorite essential oil. 5. Shake it up, and it's ready to use. Just spray it on your face whenever you need a refresh. Stick with distilled water to avoid impurities that could irritate your skin. A little goes a long way. Too much mist can make your skin feel sticky, so spray lightly. Always do a patch test with new ingredients, especially essential oils, to avoid any reactions. And there you have it. Your very own DIY hydrating face mist that's super easy to make. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty tips. I'd love to see your DIY creations in the comments below. Hey beauty lovers! Are you tired of dry, dull skin that makes you feel less than fabulous? Today, I'm excited to share a super easy DIY hydrating face mist recipe that will refresh and rejuvenate your skin. Let's face it, keeping our skin hydrated is essential, especially in dry environments. A good face mist can be a total game changer, boosting hydration and giving you that radiant glow throughout the day. Plus, who doesn't love a quick pick-me-up? 1. A hydrating face mist is a lightweight spray designed to add moisture to your skin. You can use it anytime, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. 2. A hydrating mist not only soothes your skin but also sets your makeup and cools you down on hot days. Think of it as your skin's best friend. 3. The best part of this DIY recipe? You probably have the ingredients at home. We'll use rose water for its soothing properties, aloe vera for hydration, and a few drops of essential oil for a lovely scent. 4. To whip up your hydrating mist, mix 1 cup of rose water with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Then, add 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or tea tree. Pour it into a spray bottle, give it a shake, and you're ready to go. 5. Spray it on your face whenever you need a boost. Perfect after workouts or during a long day at the office. Just remember to keep your eyes closed. Be cautious with essential oils, a little goes a long way. Using too much can irritate your skin, so stick to those few drops. Also, remember to store your mist in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh. And that's it. You now have a simple and effective